This is how you install RAM on a Dell Inspiron 1 2320. You just take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then you can take this out. This is the inside of the back part that I just took out. Just wanted to show you how there's like little hooks, especially on top. Hopefully it'll help you take it out. I had a little trouble getting mine out. And the RAM is right in that little plastic thing. All you have to do is lift it up, and it's right there. This is the RAM I'm going to be installing. Just another 4 gig to max it out to its 8. All you have to do is line up the pins right there, push it in a little bit so it can be snug, and then push it down. And you see the 2 clips on the side. Should clip. And that's it.